If you're putting the hours into your YouTube channel, but you're still not seeing the growth that you want, I was in that exact same spot. And stick around and I'll tell you what I did to change things. Before I get into it, if you want to skip ahead and just check it out for yourself, there is a link below in the description. Doug is also offering a free 15-minute channel review. So even if you're on the fence, that alone is worth clicking the link for. So before this course, I was winging it. I was putting in the work, but I didn't really know how to optimize. I didn't know what an SEO was. I was second guessing my titles, my thumbnails, all of that. And I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted. Then I found the Review Business Academy, and I knew it was what I was missing. Doug talks you through everything from how to consistently create effective videos. He talks about the actual filming process, different tools that you might need, what he uses, and he really goes through the process and whether it's filming or the commentary behind the decisions that he's making. And that was huge for me. And it's not just the what, it's the how. So, module by module, you're going to go through everything from editing, production, publishing, SEO, and what is actually going to get your videos seen. So, there's also a section that talks about tools, hardware, the setup, practical recommendations, so you're not overspending on stuff that you don't actually need. And I love how it's organized, step by step. And as a Gen Xer, I so appreciate that. If anything I'm saying is resonating with you, then seriously go check out the link below and have a 15-minute call with Doug. He'll take a look at your channel, tell you about what you can prove, what he sees as a professional. It's definitely worth the time. And who knows how long this promotion will last. So, one of the things that sets this course apart is that Doug has built a YouTube and a video tool that will help you in so many ways. It is mwah, it is the chef's kiss, and it is really streamlined how I do things and been so effective. It's not just marketing fluff. It is really that's just what's happened. But honestly, the biggest thing for me has been Doug himself. He is so down to earth, so genuine, and so available. He's not one of those YouTube gurus who sells you a course and then disappears. He has been so incredibly helpful, and it has made just a huge difference. Initially, I was blown away that Doug would actually spend 15 minutes taking a look at my channel, giving constructive feedback, and throughout this whole process, I can tell that he cares. He wants to see his students succeed and he likes constructive feedback himself. So that to me, I was sold. Community inside of RBA is really great. Everyone is supportive. They ask a lot of questions. They're very helpful to one another, and it really feels like a team. Joining, I have the framework to help me create consistently without burning out. I know how to film, I know how to edit effectively, and I know how to publish in a way that gives my videos the best chance to perform. So I'm not guessing anymore. And it's really given me the tools to streamline, but also to scale. And I was pretty skeptical in the beginning. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and want a proven system, this is it. Stop grinding without a roadmap. Let Doug show you in his 15-minute channel review how you can improve and take it from there. Click the link in the description to get your 15-minute channel review with Doug. And if you decide to buy the course, don't forget, use the coupon code Jill for 20% off. All right, that's it from me. I hope it helped, and I will see you in the next one.